Greg from Jammin' With You, and today we are going to be learning the Billie Eilish song, What Was I Made For? Stick around.
Jammin' with you all day.
So the great thing about this song is that a really, really large part of it just uses the same three chords, those being C, E minor, and some variation of F. In the verses it's F major 7, and in the chorus it's just F major. Now sometimes they might be played up here, other times they might be down here. There's different inversions that are used. In fact, Professor, will you please explain what an inversion is?
Oh, of course I can. So an inversion is a rearrangement of the order in which notes appear within a chord as it is played. So, for example, in the case of the C major chord, which is ordinarily played in the root position C, E, G, the first inversion would be to play them in the order E, G, C, and the second inversion would be played G, C, E. Is that quite clear? I certainly hope it is, because I'm quite busy and I really have other things to do. So, on your bike.
So in the verses, you're just cycling through C, E minor, and F major 7 in these positions. You're playing the C for 2 beats, you're playing the E minor for 2 beats for that first measure, and then you are playing F major 7 for 4 beats, so a second measure. And then you just repeat those 2 measures over and over for most of it, like this. I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. Okay, so all of that has just been C, E minor, and F major 7. Then, for the What Was I Made For, you play A minor. So it's the same exact 3 notes as the F major 7 for the right hand, so A, C, and E, but you move your left hand from F down to A, and it becomes A minor. F major 7, A minor. Okay? So in that particular moment of the song, the A minor essentially takes the place of where the C chord was previously. So instead of going C, E minor, F major 7, you do A minor, E minor, F major 7. So there you go. So because it's a song on the slower side, I think we can just practice going through the verse, the first couple of verses, one time through at the original tempo. So I'll give you a count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. What was I made for? Taking a drive, I wasn't ideal, looked so alive. Turns out I'm not real, just something you paid for. What was I made for? there's a small transitional section that leads from the verses into the chorus. It's only a few measures long, but it does introduce some chords that we haven't seen previously in this song. So let me show you what those chords are. We're starting at our F major 7. We play that for 2 beats, and then the left hand moves from F to E, with the right hand staying in the same position, so that it's A minor with an E in the bass. Then the left hand moves down one more step to D, and the pinky of the right hand moves up to F. That gives you D minor 7. Play that for 1 measure, and then with the right hand you move up 1 whole step from A to B and from C to D, and your left hand moves up to G, and you have G7. Play that for 1 measure. So let's hear how that little section sounds. I'll go back a little bit to What Was I Made For, okay? What was I made for? 'Cause okay? So the chorus is just the same 3 chords that are in the verse: C, E minor, and then in this case F, rather than F major 7. But instead of playing them down here, you play them up here. Okay? And it's the same progression. So you do C, E minor, F, just as you do in the verses. And when she repeats, someday I might, you go to A minor the same as you do in the verses. So once again, it's all the same chords that you've already seen in the verse, except now it's in the chorus in a slightly different voicing, but it's otherwise the same. Okay, so now let's practice the transitional section going into the chorus. We'll go all the way through the chorus, and we'll start a little before the transitional section just so we can find our way into it. So we'll start with the C chord, and we will have the lyrics leading in of Just Something You Paid For, okay? So 1, 2, 1, 2, just something you paid for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. Okay. So now if you know those 2 sections, you have 95% of the song. There's only one little part that's different at the very, very end of the song, which we will do now. So first, when she sings Think I Forgot How to Be Happy, it's the same chords as it has been in the verse, except you take it up an octave up here. So it would be Think I Forgot How to Be Happy, something I'm not, something I can be. Okay? And then you have Something I Wait For, same chords as always, F, something I'm made for, right? Same as before. But now, when you get to that F major 7, it's as if you're going into that transitional section, because you do F major 7 for 2 beats, and then A minor over E for 2 beats, and then D minor 7. and then you have the G7. And that's the last chord of the song. So the way that little section goes sounds like this, right? Something I'm made for. Something I'm made for. Okay, so now let's try running through the whole song all the way through and see how it goes. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to know, but I'm not sure now what I was made for. What was I made for? Taking a drive, I wasn't ideal, looked so alive. Turns out I'm not real, just something you paid for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. When did it end? All the enjoyment, I'm sad again. Don't tell my boyfriend, it's not what he's made for. What was I made for? 'Cause I don't know how to feel, but I wanna try. I don't know how to feel, but someday I might. Someday I might. Think I forgot how to be happy. Something I'm not, something I can be, something I'll wait for. Something I'm made for. Something I'm made for. Stay tuned for more instructional videos to come. Thanks for watching and happy playing.